Hello, welcome to 2H TV. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at number bases. So under number bases, we are going to look at how to convert numbers to base 10. Then from there, we look at converting numbers in base 10 to other bases. Then the last thing we are going to do is to convert numbers in other bases to other bases. So let's quickly look at the first one. That's converting numbers to base 10. Okay, so we are going to convert numbers to base 10. So let's look at our first example. Assuming we are given 11011 base 2, 11011 base 2, and we are tasked to convert this to base 10. So what you are going to do is that you expand the given number, right? So that will be 1 times 2 in one bracket. We add it to the second 1 times 2 in another bracket plus 0 times 2 in another bracket plus 1 times 2 in another bracket. Then the last one will be 1 times 2 in another bracket. So after you have expanded the given number, what you need to do next is to assign the base given from 0 upwards. That's from what? Your right hand side to the left hand side, 0 upwards. So the first will take 0, the second will take 1, the third will take. Okay, so the first one takes 0, the second one takes 1, the third number will take what? 2, the fourth one takes 3, the fifth one takes what? 4. Then the next step is to expand the powers. Okay, so 2 power 4, that's 2 times 2, that'll be 4 times 2, 8 times 2, that'll be 16. So the first bracket is 1 times what? 16. You are done with that. The second one, that'll be 2 exponent 3, that's 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is what? 8. Then the third bracket, 0 times 2 times 2, which is 4. Then plus 1 times 2 power 1, that's 2. And the last bracket, 1 times any number raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So we just try to sum it up. So 1 times 16 is 16, 1 times 8 is 8, 0 times 4 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. So summing all this up, that will be 16 plus 8, that's 24, plus 3, that will give us 27. So 27 base 10. So we have converted 110112 to what? Base 10. So this is how you go about it. So let's look at the second example. We are to convert 130 base 4 to base 10, right? So you need to expand the given number to its base. So the first one is 1 times 4 in one bracket plus the second number 3 times 4. Then the last number is 0 times 4. Then you assign the base from 0 upwards, from what? Your right hand side to the left. So the first number will take 0, the second takes 1, and the last takes what? 2. Then just expand the powers. So 4 square is 4, so 16. Then plus 4 power 1 is 4, so 3 times 4, then plus, sorry, there's a plus here, 0 times any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Then just expand this. So 1 times 16 is 16, plus 4 times 3. 3 times 4 is what? 12. 0 times 1 is 0. So when you sum all this up, you get what? 28 base 10. So converting 130 base 4 to base 10, it is 24 base 10. So let's look at the second side of number bases, where we are going to look at how we are going to convert numbers in base 10 to other bases. So let's look at this example. We are to convert 236 base 10 to base 8. Okay, so we are converting 236 base 10 to base 8. So in this case, what you are going to do is that you are going to use a table approach that we use in solving number bases, where you draw your table like this. This is your remainder, this is your number, that's 236. Then your divisor, we are converting these to base 8, right? So your 8 comes here. So what you are going to do is that you divide 8 by 236. Now if you divide 8 by 236, it will go into 8 29.5 times. So we write the whole number, that's 29, right? So 29 times 8, then you subtract 8 from what? 236. And when you do that, the remainder is 4. And the next step is you divide 29 by 8. When you do that, it will go into it 3.625. We take the whole number, that is 3, right? So 3 times 8 minus what? 29. So 3 won't be able to be divided by 8, right? So what happens is you repeat, or you write a 0 below the 3, then you repeat the 3 as a remainder. So what you have to do next is write the numbers from bottom up. So that is 3, 5, 4. It is now in what? Base 8, right? So meaning that 236 base 10 now in base 8 is 354. Okay, so this is how you go about it. So for the purpose of today's class, we are looking at the last part of the class, where we are going to convert numbers in other bases to other bases with the knowledge we had in converting numbers to base 10, then converting numbers in base 10 to other bases, and we are now going to convert numbers in other bases to other bases. So when such question is given, what you have to do is that you first convert the given number to base 10, right? So you convert the given number to base 10. So we have to express 441 base 5 as a number in base 4. So the first is to convert that given number to base 10. So we are converting 441 base 5, right, to base 10. So it will be 4 times 5 in one bracket, added to 4 times 5 again in another bracket, added to 1 times 5 in the last bracket. Then this is 5. So in ascending order from what? The left hand side to the right hand side, you assign the base 0, 1, 2, right? So 4 times 5 square, that's 25, right? So in one bracket, plus 4 times 5 power 1 is still 5, then 1, any number power 0 is what? 1. Nice. Then you just try to expand the bracket. That will be 4 times 25, that is giving us 100, plus 4 times 5, 20, 1 times 1 is 1. Summing all this. Okay, so summing all this up, you get 121 base 10. So now this is now in base 10, so you can now convert from base 10 to what? Base 4 by the second aspect of the class today, that's converting numbers in base 10 to other bases. We said we draw our table. This becomes our remainder, right? So 121 is here. Then we are converting to base 4, so the divisor now is 4. Now 121 divided by 4 will give us 30 point something, so we need the whole number 30. 30 times 4 minus 121 will give us 1. Now 30 divided by 4 will give us 7.5, so we need the whole number 7. 7 times 4 minus 30, that is giving us 2. Now 7 divided by 4 is 1.7 something, so we need the whole number. So now 1 times 4 minus 7, that is giving us 3. Now because the numerator now is less than the denominator, we write 0 below it and repeat the number at the remainder side. So from bottom upwards, we write the numbers. So that will be 1321 base what? 4. So it means that converting 441 base 5 to base 4 is 1321. Thank you so much.